name is Filipe Lopes and I come from the Instituto de Higiene e Medicina Tropical from the Universidade Nova de Lisboa.
Okay. And when you enrolled in this course, what were your expectations for this?
Okay, so I've been involved mostly in the management of data from natural history collections, namely entomological collections. So I'm interested to know what is being done in different institutions regarding biological data management mostly. So my expectations will be to meet other people, see what's being done, know and participate in the workshop and so on.
Did you like the way that the workshop was done? This hands-on approach where you can go through a list and see what kind of details that are necessary to elaborate the data management plan?
Yes, I think it's interesting. It's a way that forces you to look at stuff, and I think it's interesting to see to have a good view of how data management plan is constituted and so on.
In your institution, when you have data that is being generated, is there a similar process like this that is already being done, or slightly smaller step?
No, not really. I mean, not the data management plan on official, and no, it's
Yeah.
so I think we
Everybody-
we have to manage it for ourselves, see what space we need and what metadata model we use and so on. So there's not really a defined.
There's an intrinsic
data management
process in
plan.
every of us. We think about what is being done, but there's no mostly there usually isn't the formal documentation done beforehand. Now that you've gone through all of this process, what is your take-home message? Did you like this process? Are there things that you think are going to change in your institution or try to institutionalize protocols? Do you think this will have?
I'm not sure. It is interesting to see how a data management plan is elaborated. I'm not sure if there's going to be in the near future a necessity to define one. Maybe when we have a bigger project with big data sets, maybe. Now, I don't know. I think it's interesting to know it is done and if it's necessary in the future.
But you find it useful in.
Yes, I think I find it useful. I guess for the institution. I mean, if you're managing the institution and if you're in the informatic means and so on, if you need to know what type of servers you need, what type of server management. So for the specific project, I feel that we normally have a good idea of what it is needed. But I would guess this will be important at the institutional level to have an idea of all the projects that are going on and so on, and try to manage these projects. So that's at least what I